Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe before you go. So today we're going to be installing a V-part wig. This is a kinky curly texture, and I will have them linked because I cannot pronounce the name of the company, but I will have them linked. So yeah, we're going to install the V-part wig, but we're going to do it a little bit different. So I usually wear them with just a minimal amount of leave out, but I saw the crochet method on TikTok, so I decided to try it out. So I'm just cutting those little whatever's holding the V in place. I'm just going to cut those little strings. And as you see, it has the combs in the top and then on the side as well as in the back. So I'm going to just clip it into place as normal. Then once I have the wig clipped on, I will go ahead and take a crochet needle, and what I'll do is take a piece of hair from the very top, and then I will crochet that through my hair. So what this does is it'll kind of cover that track. And I'll do this all the way around the entire part. And this just provides some coverage, so you don't necessarily have to worry about having leave out. If I tried to blend mine, I know it would be super short, so it wouldn't flow with the length of this wig. So I decided to try this way just to see if I liked it. And honestly, although you can still see the tracks a little, I think it's a great method. I use it. This is the only way that I wear my V-part wigs, especially the curly ones. Now, I don't think you can get away with this on a straight one, but don't quote me on that. I haven't tried a straight V-part, but this is how I wear all mine now, just because it's a lot easier than trying to blend your hair, your leave out. So yeah, I just continue to crochet the wig hair into my hair. So I did shape the unit off camera. Here you just see me running some, I think, water and some type of, I couldn't even tell you the product that I used. I think it was some type of gel through it, and just using my detangling brush to kind of define the curls. So once I'm done crocheting the hair, I'm gonna diffuse it, and this step is optional. I really just wanted to see how big it would get, but um, this is the optional step. You don't have to do this. You can let it air dry if you don't prefer a bigger, fuller look. I just go in and kind of tease the hair is kind of silky, so it's not super easy to tease, but I just kind of tease the roots and then my hair just to kind of give it just a little bit more of a blend. But yeah, this is the finished result. So you guys tell me in the comments, would you try this? Would you wear this? Does it look natural enough for you, or does it kind of look funny? Let me know. Until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.